Welcome back to the part 2 video of digestion of carbohydrates and learn prepositions. So with the help of this enzyme amylase, it gives maltose. What is meant by maltose? It is a one simple sugar which gives instant energy. So this is the final stage of digestion of carbohydrates. So as our session, let's practice the prepositions. So digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. In this sentence, we have to identify the preposition. So I am reminding you again definition of the preposition. Preposition is a word which gives complete meaning to the sentence by its position, maybe before the subject of the sentence or object of the sentence. So digestion is the subject of carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the object. Before the object there is a one word which gives complete meaning to the sentence. If I remove this word digestion carbohydrates, means there is no interlink between two words and there is no meaning to the sentence. That's why it is a preposition. Digestion of, it means it indicates something work belongs to one thing. So digestion of belonging to the carbohydrates. Digestion of proteins belonging to the proteins, belong to the carbohydrates, belong to the proteins. So which is what is meant by of, belonging to the something, belonging to the something. So it is a preposition. It shows the relationship and starts in buccal cavity. Starts in buccal cavity. What is meant by in? Which is a covered part, which is a four-sided covered part. It's which is takes place in. Yes. In what is meant by buccal cavity? Mouth part along with the tongue and the salivary glands, tooth. In this part means inside. It denotes the in the position. What is meant by in? It shows the position. It is the buccal cavity is a subject. Before the subject in, it is a preposition. Preposition is a word which gives complete meaning to the sentence by its position. Ends in small intestine. Again, ends in small intestine. Inside, it takes place in the inside, which is totally covered inside the some organ. That name is small intestine. So preposition is a word which gives complete meaning by its position. Takes food into our mouth. Here now let's see. Takes food into our mouth. Our mouth is the object. Takes food is the subject. But what is preposition? Preposition is a word which gives complete meaning to the sentence by its position. So differences between the in and into. It's already there inside. Previously it is in inside, but which is coming from the out to the in. From out to the in is called into. So we will take food from out to the in. Out to the in, it's called into. Takes food into our mouth. That's why it is a word preposition. If I remove this word takes food our mouth, takes food our mouth, there is no meaning. It is a senseless sentence. So preposition is a word which gives complete meaning by its position is called preposition. Saliva releases into our mouth. Again same, into our mouth, in the mouth. But what I told you, from the outside to inside. Yes, in the buccal cavity there is salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. They will extract from the ducts. So it is coming into the mouth, and it is a releases, means it is a simple present tense. Okay, all scientific theories are in the simple present tense. It is a common thing. Now from 3 pairs of salivary glands. From, what is meant by from? From is a word, is a preposition which shows the location of beginning or where it starts. So from the 3 pairs of salivary glands. If I remove this from word 3 pairs of salivary glands, there is no meaning. So it is a preposition. Preposition is a word which gives complete meaning to the sentence by its position. In the human saliva. So if it is the saliva, if it is the saliva in the juicy form, it's already there, already in the mingle of some enzyme. This is called in the human saliva. There is no need of to add again. It's already there. It's already there in the human saliva. That is its meaning. So that is the preposition. Amylase converts starch into maltose. Into maltose. What is meant by into again? Some portion to another portion. Yes. The carbohydrates in the form of starch converting into the maltose. Converting into the starch to maltose into another form. One form to another form. One form to another form is called into. So milk converts into the curd. Milk is the first form, converts into the curd. Yes, one form to another form. Again, this is the same case. Example I given. The amylase is enzyme converts starch into maltose. As example, milk converts into the curd, one form to another form. Now clear. This is a preposition. To properly mix of saliva. To means how to do something. Yes, it shows the future. It shows the future aim. To properly mix of saliva. Of is properly mix of saliva. There is no meaning. So to properly mix. Why? If I given the when you saw any two in the end of the sentence, you have to give one question. Why? Why mix of saliva means to properly mix of saliva. You will get the answer. It is the one trick. If it is the preposition, you will get the answer to. If it is a to properly mix of saliva. Mix saliva. Again senseless. So we have to add the off word. It gives the complete meaning. With chewed food. Why with? What is with? Where do we use with? Yes, with hammer. The boy is beating with hammer. The boy is hitting with stick. Using with something. Using with something. Yes. With the chewed food here. This is a chewed food. This is a chewed food. The food has to be mixed with the saliva. With another one. With another. One with another. So to properly mix with saliva, food. The chewed food has to be mixed with the saliva properly. That's why it is the